Another little video. I'm starting to see oil building up on the water that's standing out here. I just walked through here. You can see my footprints are now taking hold because this is just a soupy sandwich. It hasn't rained in a week. It's still like this. I mean, holy crap. My boots are just disappearing in this mud. And you can still see the, again, oil starting to run in. It's still saturated all the way out to the shed. Again, I just stepped and it's how deep it is. And it's swampy up here, and it seems to have stopped dripping from behind the fence. So whatever water level back there has rescinded enough now that it's not still leaking into the yard on the surface, probably leaching. It's all standing water here too under the shed. And I've also noticed that they're starting to grow algae in spaces out here where it's starting to dry a little bit. But there's still plenty of standing water. It's a hot mess.